Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're quickly setting up Cinemachine. Let's get started. First, we need to import the tool, go to Window. Then Package Manager, find Cinemachine in the list and hit the Install button. Now, right-click in your hierarchy, select Cinemachine, and create a Cinemachine camera. Drag your player object into the VCam's follow slot. The great thing is, once you set up the basic follow, you have many parameters to customize the camera's behavior. You don't have to settle for a rigid robotic movement. You can find the package I used in this project down in the description below. A quick note for these camera movements to function: ensure the cinema constraint component is applied to your camera object. You may have to add it manually in some older C4D releases without this component. The camera movements will not be activated. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tutorial.